This is the Sanus Simplicity Tilt Plus Extend TV mount, which fits TVs 37 inches to 90 inches and holds TVs up to 150 pounds. This mount allows you to get increased tilting range for the optimal view. Here's how. Effortlessly adjust viewing angle with the touch of a finger. You can easily tilt your TV down 12 degrees to eliminate any glare. Extend TV 5.8 inches from the wall for easy cable access. This extension also offers increased tilting range for large TVs. Enjoy the easy 3-step installation. Simply attach the brackets to your TV. Attach the wall plate to the wood stud and hang your TV on the mount arm. Sanus is the #1 brand of TV mount brands in the US. All Sanus Simplicity mounts are safety tested and UL certified and feature a 5-year warranty. And we back it up with our US-based expert customer care team, available 7 days a week. Questions? Give us a call. This is the Sanus Advanced Tilt TV wall mount, which fits TVs 42 to 90 inches and holds up to 150 pounds. This mount is unique compared to all other tilting mounts because it extends 5.7 inches away from the wall to allow maximum tilt with even the biggest TVs. This extension also allows easy access to the back of the TV to quickly hook up cables. You can adjust the TV tilt with the touch of a fingertip, no tools required. After installation, you can easily adjust your TV for perfect positioning. An audible click confirms your TV is safely attached to the wall. Hide electrical outlet or box behind your mounted TV. Thinking of cutting the cord? Check out our streaming device panel to hide your streaming device or other small accessories behind your TV. The advanced tilt mount is perfect when installing your TV up high or above a fireplace. It reduces glare from lights and windows, offers easier access to the back of your TV, protects children and pets from TV tipovers, and adds space and style to your room. Enjoy the easy 3-step install. Simply attach brackets to your TV, attach wall plate to your wall, and hang your TV on wall plate. Sanus is the #1 brand of TV wall mounts. All Sanus premium mounts are safety tested and UL certified and feature a 10-year warranty.
If you have a big, beautiful TV you want to attach to the wall, and you're looking for a premium, low-profile aesthetic, yet you still want to have maximum full-motion capabilities for your big TV, let me introduce you to the Kanto PMX 700 Professional Series full-motion TV mount. The PMX 700 will hold up to a 100-inch TV 31 inches out from the wall and give you maximum tilt, pan, and swivel capabilities. Let's take a look at some of the features our design team built into the PMX 700. First of all, we want to ensure your mount arrives in perfect condition, so we ship it in a box that's inside an outer box. This extra layer ensures that your mount arrives exactly as it should. Now, when you open the box, you might expect to see a jumble of parts, styrofoam, plastic, but with our intelligent use of sustainable and recyclable cardboard, you can see all your parts conveniently laid out for you, giving you confidence that everything is there. You'll notice a detailed set of instructions, a handy wall template to help you get your wall mounting holes exactly in the right place, and even a little dust catcher so when you drill your holes, there will be less mess to clean up. So instead of a plastic bag with 100 different pieces of hardware to sort through, you'll find a cardboard tray with everything you need conveniently laid out and organized, so you know exactly where everything is when you need it. There's even a holder for the included tools for your installation. All of this makes putting together the mount a breeze.
This is Kanto's H-frame. It's the piece that gets attached to the back of the TV. We've adopted the H-frame style system because of its versatility. This will work with any TV from 42 to 100 inches, providing easy access to inputs on the back of the TV. It even provides you a little bit of lateral shift in case you want to get your TV centered exactly where you want it to go. The engineering of the arms is very important. A key design goal is to have maximum extension to provide the widest possible viewing angles, while folding back to a low profile so your TV is close to the wall when you want it to be there.
As you can imagine, a mount this size is pretty heavy. It'll only be a 2 to 3 person job to mount it to the wall and get in those leg bolts. For this reason, we've made the arms detachable from the wall plate. Simply remove these 4 bolts and the arm assembly lifts right out of the wall plate. With the arm assembly removed, it's easy for just about anyone to hold up the wall plate and mount it to the wall. You'll notice how wide the wall plate is. This width allows you to hit 2 studs that are spaced up to 24 inches apart, or 3 studs that are spaced 12 inches apart. Now with your wall plate securely mounted, you can reattach your arm assembly and get your TV perfectly centered exactly where you want it.
Your TV is beautiful, and your mount should be too. For this reason, we've recessed most of the hardware, provided integrated cable management, and designed beautiful satin-finished aluminum bolt covers that snap into place with magnets. Getting a smooth tilting motion from your TV is all about setting the friction correctly. We've designed a clever tilt system that requires no tools at all to get your tension perfect. Simply turn the knob to the desired amount of tension you want, and then lock down the lever. You can adjust it a few times after to get the tension just right.
Our team has developed this full motion mount to look and function perfectly with the biggest and best TVs in the market. Easy to install, full of features, low profile, and beautifully finished. We don't think there's a better solution for wall mounting big TVs. The Kanto PMX 700 is available at most major retailers. Click here for more information.